Ghruta Yoni. So you observe that we have been trying to note down the mythology of Agni, the functions of Agni, the origin, the genesis of Agni, and his role in the Yajna performance, and so on. So, without Agni, we cannot perform any homam. In fact, we are going to face the Ratha Saptami, a very important day in the Magha Masam on 4th February, as is being planned. And we are just completing our Pushya Masam and going into the next Magha Masam, where Ma Agham. When you go to that Magha Masam, Surya Bhagavan is important. Maghe Suryaha. So we make lot of puja and all that to Surya Bhagavan, who is Surya, but Agni in the sky. And the same Surya is Agni upon the earth. So that's why Agni ke complement enandre Agnir Varenyaha. Here Tasmaite Pratihariyate, sorry, here Agni Havishaha Jushanaha. So what is the main function of this Agni? He has to be accepting any offering that is offered to in the fire in him, marking the name to whom it should go. That is, Agni is such a ethical fellow or ethical god that he has nothing to keep for himself, and he is sincerely conveying to suspective gods whatever you are, and the acceptance and giving taste for that is the Agni's job. Therefore, you see that Havishaha Jushanaha. Jushanaha is meaning accepting, and trying to make that offering to reach all people is that. And Ghrita Pratika, if you look at Agni's face, imagine Agni is an anthropomorphic, means man like human body. So when you imagine Agni as the human body, then he has got the mouth completely oily or ghee ridden one. That's why it is called Pratikaha. Means the entire face is having that ghee influence on that. So Ghrita Pratikaha. And moreover, where he is born, where from he gets up, he is a Ghrita Yonihi. So he is one who has got his genesis or birth in the ghee, in the cow's ghee. Cow's but ghee is the clarified butter they call it. And what would you do? He doesn't get confused in Agni does not get confused or being unhappy, but we are making him to ask him Yedhi. The Sanskrit Vedic verb Edhi means to develop, to grow, to increase, to enhance himself. So it is a very interesting thing that Ghrita Yoni Redhi. And again, Ghrutam Pitva. So please try to drink as much ghee as possible. How is the ghee that is being offered to Paramatma in the homams? Is called Charu, Madhu, and Gavyam. See, look at the nature, rather the kind of quality of the ghee that you have got to choose. ಈಗಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಘೀ ರೇಟ್ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿದೆ. ಏನು 5 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ದೇ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಸಮ್ ಡೂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟ್ ಘೀ ಮಿಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ ಅದರ್ ದ್ರವ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಹೋಮ ತುಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಶಾಪ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಚೀಪರ್ ಇನ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ದಿ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಒನ್. ಬಟ್ ದೆರ್ ಆರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ who do not go to that kind of lower, I mean, reduced quality of the ghee. But here, as you see in Vedic times, the ghee was always very, 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 very yellowish in color, and that is what charu, beautiful to look at. And when you just actually directly taste it, it is madhu. It has got the sweet taste, and gavyam, that too belonging to the cows. So, even among the cows also, there is a kind of quality or difference in cows. So that's why, for example, you every day you say Dashangam Gugulam Dhupam Sugandhan Chamanoharam Kapilaghृत Samyuktam Dhupoyam Pratigruhyatam. Interesting, you know? So it's a Kapilaghृत Samyuktam Manavaga. Kapila is the best cow, best varna of the cows that you know. Cows are also different colors. So Kapila Dhenuvu, even in fact, Kapila is a Maharshi, Kapila is Mahavishnu, Kapila is a Kamadhenu, etc. All that. So that's why the word Kapila. So it is called as a Gavyam, Madhucharu Gavyam. And ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀನೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ವಿಷಯ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ನನಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಅಂದರೆ ದೆನ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲಿ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯು ವಾಟ್ ಗುಡ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಯು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಪಿತೇವ ಪುತ್ರಂ ಅಭಿರಕ್ಷತಾತು ಇಮಂ ಇಮಂ ಪುತ್ರಂ imam putram pita iva abhirakshatam. Aya, ಈ ಯಜಮಾನ ಇದಾನಲ್ಲ, he is after all your son. And so you please try to take care of him in all aspects. So that's what is the request. Piteva putram abhirakshatat imam yajamanam. Who is this Yajamana? Yajamana is the Putra, is like your son. That means all are Prajapati children. Prajapati is also Agni. So the names are different, but Shakti is the same. And all these names of Paramatma is only for the convenience of the administration, organization, and Loka Upakara and Loka Vyavahara, Vyapara, Parisilana, and management of all that. Therefore, yeah, that's why we are introduced the idea Akashat Patitam Toyam Yatha Gacchati Sagaram Sarvadeva Namaskaraha Keshavam Pratigacchati. Nodira? Sarvadeva Namaskaraha Keshavam Pratigacchati. ಎಲ್ಲ ದೇವತೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾಡಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು ultimately are all directed towards the feet of the Narayana or Kesava, the primordial principle of divinity, that is Mahavishnu himself. And Akshataadivam, then Tasmai, next one, I'm reading just next one. Om Tasmai te pratiharyate जातवेदो विचर्षणे. हिलप शिवलिंग. तस्मै ते प्रतिहर्यते जातवेदो विचर्षणे. ಅಗ್ನಿ ಹೇಳಿ 1 3 14 5 ತಸ್ಮೈ ತೇ ಪ್ರತಿಹರ್ಯತೆ ಜಾತವೇದೋ ವಿಚರ್ಷಣೆ ಅಗ್ನೇ ಜನಾಮಿ ಸುಷ್ಟುತಿಂ ದಿವಸ್ಪರಿ ಪ್ರಥಮಂ ಜಗ್ನೇ ಅಗ್ನಿಃ ಅಸ್ಮದ್ವಿತೀಯಂ ಪರಿಜಾತವೇದಾಃ ತೃತೀಯಂ ಅಪ್ಸು ನೃಮಣಾ ಅಜಸ್ರಂ ಇಂಧಾನಂ ಇಂಧಾನ ಏನಂ ಜರತೆ ಸ್ವಾಧೀಃ ಶುಚಿಃ ಪಾವಕವಂದ್ಯಃ ಅಗ್ನೇ ಬೃಹದ್ವಿರೋಚಸೆ ತ್ವಂ ಘೃತೇಭಿರಾಹುತಃ. So repeat again, you got it? So tasmai te pratiharyate jatavedo ವಿಚರ್ಷಣೆ. ಈ ಅಗ್ನಿ ಯಾರಂದರೆ ವಿಚರ್ಷಣೆ. ಜಗ್ನೇ ಅಗ್ನಿ ಅಸ್ಮತು ದಿವಸಿ. ಅಗ್ನಿ is first born in the sky. Next, he has come down to the people upon the earth. In the third is also being promoted Tritiya in the waters. Tritiyam apsu. And again, Drumana ajasram indhanaha. So this Agni is being constantly kindled by the human beings upon the earth. ಯಾರು ಅಗ್ನಿಜ್ವಲನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಗ್ನಿಜ್ವಲನ ಮಾಡೋದೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ನಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪುರುಷ ಸೂಕ್ತದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಏನು ಯಜ್ಞೇನ ಯಜ್ಞಮ ಯಜಂತ ದೇವಾ ತಾನಿ ಧರ್ಮಾಣಿ ಪ್ರಥಮಾನ್ಯಾಸನ್ ತೇಹನಾಕಂ ಮಹಿಮಾನಃ ಸಚಂತೆ ಯತ್ರ ಪೂರ್ವೇ ಸಾಧ್ಯಾಃ ಸಂತಿ ದೇವಾಃ. ಸೊ ಯತ್ರ ಪೂರ್ವೇ ಸಾಧ್ಯಾಃ ಸಂತಿ ದೇವಾಃ. ಸೊ ಮನುಷ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಭೂಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದ ಧರ್ಮ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಯಾವುದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ದೇವತೆಗಳ ದ್ವಾರ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು that has been made, that has been created for the human beings, and that has been given as a part of duty, as a part of duty to all human beings. So this is the interesting thing. So he is found in three places. Agni is found in three places. Divaha, one. And Parijagne, that Pari join the word Jagne. Jagne is the verb. So Parijagne Divaha Agnihi. That is the idea, prose order. And Asmat Dvitiyam Parijata Vedaha. Amele Trutiyam. Third one is in the waters. So such kind of Agni, who is the connective principle to Divaha, Antariksham, and Bhulokam, are Triloka Vyapi. That's why when you in Namakam, you make a prayer. Trikala Agni Rupaha Sisudraha. Namaste Astu Bhagavan Vishveswaraya Mahadevaya Triyambakaya Tripurantakaya Trikagnikalaya Kalagnirudraya. So when you say Kalagnirudraya and Trikalagnirudraya, so this Agni is available in three times, and also at three regions covering the entire universe. Then Nrumana Ajasram means constantly all human beings, Indhanaha, is being enkindled, and Swadhihi Jarate Enam. And Adaramale, now again a characteristic of Agni is being pointed out to us in this, Suchihi Suchi Pavaka. He Pavaka, you are Suchihi. You are basically pure, pure and pure. Not only that, Vandyaha, you are being revered. You are a venerable person, revered by all people. Namaskara Yogyaha. ನೋಡಿದರೆ ಇದೇ ಟೆಂಪೋ you find in the Vishnu Sahasranamam, in Bhishma Gita, where Bhishmacharya says beautifully like this: Vishwam Vishnuhu Vashatkaraha. ಸೊ ವಿಶ್ವಂ ವಿಷ್ಣು ವಷಟ್ಕಾರಃ ಅಂದರೆ ಆವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ದಿ ವಷಟ್ಕಾರ That is, he is namaskara yogya. And again, Vandya Bruhadvi Rochase. ಸೊ ಅಗ್ನಿ ಕಾಂತಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಉದ್ದ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಳತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್ ರಿಯಲಿ measurable. That's why see, that's why we call about it conflagration or Badabagni or wildfire or oil fire, etc. When this fire is there, hardly possible to put out the fire very easily. Therefore, he is called as he is a Bruhadvirochase, and moreover, the brilliance in the Agni is very great. And that Agni whose brilliance you are talking could be also Surya Bhagavan. So that Surya Bhagavan, Surya Kanti, ಪಾಪ ಒಂದು ಸಲ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸೂರ್ಯನಿಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ದಟ್. ಅಷ್ಟು ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಲ್ಬ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರಕಾಶಮಾನವಾಗಿರುವ ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಕಾಂತಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯವರೆಗೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದರೂ ಆ ಕಾಂತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬೃಹದ್ವಿರೋಚಸೆ? ಅದನ್ನೇ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಗ್ನಿಕಾರ್ಯ ಮಂತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಗ್ನಯೇ ಬೃಹತೆ ನಾಕಾಯ ಸ್ವಾಹ ಅಗ್ನಿಂ ಪ್ರಜಾಪತಿಂ. Like that, we have so many mantras in Veda where you have got a eulogy to Agni Bhagavan in number of ways, and there are Agni Suktas. That's why it is said in Rigveda we have got large number of Agni mantras. And next comes Indra. Next, so Indra is the king and Agni is the ruler, and so there is a lot of friendship. Even Vishnu also is Agni Rupa. Naro Agni Rupa anta. Even the men also will become so active and energetic like that of the Agni. Now you are seeing Mahakumbha Mela is going on in that Prayaga, in that river. You cannot imagine every day lakhs of people are coming and taking dip in that. Somebody has put that in 1800 people used to pay for Britishers 1 rupee as a tax to take dip in the water. ಸೊ ಆವಾಗಲೇ ಈ ಮಹಾಕುಂಭ ಮೇಳದ ದಿಂದ ದುಡ್ಡು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಹೀಗೆ ಶುಚಿ ಪಾವಕಃ ಬೃಹದ್ವಿರೋಚಸೆ ಅಗ್ನೇ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನು, ತ್ವಂ ಘೃತೇಭಿರಾಹುತಃ. ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ವೈಟೆಡ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್? Because wherever tuppa is there, the oil is there. Because among all oils, the ghee is the very expensive oil. And among many things, ghee is the only one which becomes solidified in no time. ಗಡ್ಡೆ ಕಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬస్తుంది, ಇದು ಗಡ್ಡೆ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಗಡ್ಡೆ ಹಾಕಿ. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಈ ಗಾರ್ಡಿಯಾಲಜಿಸ್ಟ್ಗಳು ಕೆಲವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮೋರ್ that oil which will get solidified, but you should always use it. For example, you saw sunny oil, wherever oils alla, you don't see that dalda, tuppa, ಎಂಥದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೊಬ್ಬರಿ ಎಣ್ಣೆ, ದಿ ಕೋಕೋನಟ್ ಆಯಿಲ್, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಸೊಲಿಡಿಫೈಡ್. ಸೊ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವೆದರು ತಣ್ಣಗಾಗಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಗುಡ್ ಆಯಿಲ್. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ದಿ ಘೃತೇಭಿ ಆಹುತಃ. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡೈಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆರ್ ಡೈಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ತುಪ್ಪ, ನಾಟ್ ಡೈಲ್ಯೂಟ್, ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಸೇ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಫ್ಲೋಯಿ ತುಪ್ಪ, ಕರಗಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತುಪ್ಪ ಹೋಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ಇರೋ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟು, ಹಂಗೇ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಆಗಿರುವ ತುಪ್ಪ ಹಾಕೋದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು. ಬಟ್ ಅಗ್ನಿ ಈಸ್ ಎ ವೆರಿ ಪವರ್ಫುಲ್ ಫೆಲೋ. At whatever way that you are putting into him, no matter, in no time that it turns into a liquid form. Therefore, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಶುಚಿಹಿ ಪಾವಕ ವಂದ್ಯೋ ಅಗ್ನೇ Bruhadvirochase. And how are you able to be invited to you? The method of invitation to him to be is only Ahuta. You have to invite. You know that Hva means that invitation, call. ಸೊ ಆಹ್ವಾನ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರೇಮ ಗೌರವದಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಹ್ವಾನ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆಹ್ವಾನ ಅಂತ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ವಿಸರ್ಗವಿನ್ ಉಪಸರ್ಗ ಸೇರಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಹುತಃ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಮಂತಾತ್, ಎನಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿವೇರ್. So ahutaha. So our Agni, when you are being invited, you always burn bright or shine very much bright, and you are you are pure by yourself, and you are being revered also by all people. Therefore, this is the normal Agni who is found in water, who is found upon the earth, and who is found in the heaven. Even Surya Bhagavan also becomes so happy. That's why when you are doing a Haruna Homa or Saura Sukta Homa or Surya Sahasranama Homa or Surya Ashtottara Namavali Stotra, ಯಾವ ಹೋಮ ಮಾಡಿದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಆ ಹೋಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಸೂರ್ಯಾಯ ಇದಂ ನಮಮ ಸೂರ್ಯಾಯ ಇದಂ ನಮಮ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಆಹುತಿಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಐ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ದೆನ್ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ಡ್. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಹೂ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್ ಸೂರ್ಯ? ದೃಶಾನೋ ರುಕ್ಮಾ ಉರ್ವ್ಯಾ ವ್ಯದ್ಯತ್ ವ್ಯಜ್ಯೋ ಋಷಮಿವ ದ್ಯುರ್ಮಶ ದುರ್ಮರ್ಷಮಾಯು ಶ್ರಿಯಂ ರುಚಾನಃ ಅಗ್ನಿರಮೃತೋ ಅಭವತು ವಯೋಹಿ. Ultimately, Agni has become the Amruta, Amruto Bhavatu. So Agni has become the immortal. Agni has become very sweet. Agni became very much favorable to us. Therefore, and Rukma andre Bangaru. You know the word Rukmini. Rukma, ya ನಯತಿ ಸಾ ರುಕ್ಮಿಣಿ. ರುಕ್ಮ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಂಗಾರು, ರುಕ್ಮ ಅಂದರೆ ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ. ಸೊ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೇಮ್ ಏನಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಮಹಾಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ವಿಷ್ಣು ಕೃಷ್ಣನಾಗಿ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಆ ತಾಯಿ ರುಕ್ಮಿಣಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾಳೆ. That means she is a constant power and force and devotion and an ideal wife. How any woman should behave. You know the Krishna Talabharam, where just one Tulsi Dalam made Krishna got weighed at all, while Satyabhama used all aharanas. No. So bhakti is important. Here also the same thing. Drushano Rukma Urvya Vyajyatu Amarsham. So he was just shining. That Rukma of the heaven, namely Surya Bhagavan, he is manifesting again upon the earth in the form of the Agni, heat. And Sri Amruchanaha. So what is the purpose? Agni is fetching all wealth. So Sriyam Ichet Havyavahanat. So Agni is giving all the wealth, all prosperity, and all that is that. Hello, ಪ್ರಸವ ಆಯ್ತವಾ? చూసారా? ఇప్పుడే నేను సూర్య భగవాన్ గురించి ఐమ్ ఇన్ ద క్లాస్ రూమ్. ఇప్పుడే సూర్యుని గురించి అండ్ నేను ఇప్పుడే ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ఇದ್ದೀನಿ, పుత్ర పితేవ పుత్రం అభిరక్షతాదిమం అని. ఇంకేంటండి, మీ మీ అబ్బాయి అమ్మాయి మీ ఫ్యామిలీ ఫుల్ అయిపోయింది. సో ఓకే, ది థింగ్స్ విల్ 2-3 days ఉంచుకుంటారేమో కదా హాస్పిటల్లో. సంతోషం బాబు. అమ్మ కూడా చెప్తాను. నేను ఇప్పుడు క్లాస్ అయిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ నిదానంగా మాట్లాడతాను. ఇప్పుడు హాస్పిటల్ ఉన్నారా? ఓకే నాన్న, గుడ్ లక్. జస్ట్ నో ఐ గాట్ ఎ న్యూస్. Just now I got a news, happy news that one of our students
Good
of
news.
Vedadhyana Kendra became father of a son. Just to ಈಗ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತೆ.
Good
So
news.
happy.
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತು ಗುರುಗಳೇ.
Yeah. So
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತು.
happy. He has a daughter already 10 11 years ಇರಬೇಕು. And after 10 11 years he is blessed with a son, boy, baby boy. ಸೊ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಪಿತೇವ ಪುತ್ರಮಭಿರಕ್ಷತಾದಿಮಂ. ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವೆಲ್ಲ ದೇವರು ಅನುಗ್ರಹ. ನಾನು ಆಗಲೇ ಸಾರ್ ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸಾರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಅವನು ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ಅಮೆರಿಕಾ, ಬಟ್ ತಾಡಿಪತ್ರಿ, ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ತಾಡಿಪತ್ರಿ. ಈಸ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ವೇದಗಂಗಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದಟ್. ವಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಹಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲರ್ನ್ಸ್ ವೇದಾಸ್. ಇವಾಗ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ತೈತ್ರಿ ಉಪನಿಷತ್. ಎನಿವೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ, ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಾ, ನಮಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವಾರ್ತೆ ಬಂತು. ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಅಗ್ನಿ ಸೂರ್ಯ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಗ್ನಿ ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ದೃಶಾನೋ ರುಕ್ಮ ಉರ್ವ್ಯಾಂ ಯಜ್ಜತು ಅಮರ್ಷನ್ ಆಯುಹು ಶ್ರಿಯ ರುಚಾನಃ. So what is he doing? That Surya Bhagavan, who has come down to upon the earth, and who is having the function of extending health care, extending happiness, peace, and brilliance. What is Ruchanaha? See, Ruchanaha is Kirti. ಸಿ ಈ ಮುಹೂರ್ತದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿರೋರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಕೀರ್ತಿದಾಯಕವಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ದೇ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಮಗ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಮೇಲೆ, ಮಗಳು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಂದರಿಗೆ ಕುಲಕ್ಕೆ ಗೌರವ ಎನ್ಹ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಆಯುಹು ದದಾತಿ ಆಯುರ್ದ ಅಗ್ನೇ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನೆಂದರೆ, ಜಾತಕ ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ವರ್ಧಿನಿ ಕುಲ ಸಂಪದಾಂ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಈ ಕುಲದ ಸಂಪದೆ ನಾಟ್ ಬೈ ಅರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮೋರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ all that is nothing. But when you have got children, grandchildren, and their prosperity and all that, there is no parallel wealth at all in the world. That's what is Ayuhu, Sriyam, and Ruchi. Ruchi andre Kanti. Kanti andre Shreyas. So Sriyam Ruchanaha. And ultimately, what Agni has turned out to be, Agnihi ಅಮೃತೆ ಅಮೃತೋ ಅಭವತು ವಯೋಭಿಹಿ. ವಯೋಭಿಹಿ ಅಂದರೆ ದೋಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಲಯಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಏಜಿಂಗ್. And everybody is actually also the word vaya means bird. So no bird is constantly living. All birds are temporary. Only human being is longer. And just now I forwarded one thing talking about the ants. So ants are the earliest creatures in the creation among that, and they are found any and everywhere in the country. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ತೆಲುಗಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದೆನ್ ಯು ಕಮ್ ಟು ನೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ಆ್ಯಂಟ್ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ, ಇರುವೆಗಳ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇರುವೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೀನು, ಒಂದು ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯಾರು ಏನೇನು ಕೆಲಸಗಳು ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್ ಅಂತ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಆ ಪಿಪೀಲಿಕಾದಿ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಪರ್ಯಂತಂ. ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿ ಪಿಪೀಲಿಕಾ or the ant or irve, that is the primary creation. So from the stretch of primary to maximum, superior, far superior creation, creative beings, Paramatma is cause. That's why Apipilekadi Brahma Paryantam Pujitayai Namo Namaha ಅಂತ ಅಮ್ಮವಾರಿಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಅಗ್ನಿಹಿ ಅಮೃತೋ ಭವತು ವಯೋಭಿಹಿ. I hope you are enjoying knowledge that is being imparted to us by our rishis, trying to study this particular Agni. And I just read the next one. Yadena, unsal helbidi, and then we stop there. Yadena dyuhu ajanayatu.
यदेनं द्यौ प्रजनयत् यदेनं द्यौ प्रजनयत्
Suretaha
सुरेताः सुरेताः
ayadishe nrupatim teja.
यदिशे नृपतिं तेज यदिशे नृपतिं तेज
Anatsu chireto nishikte nishiktam jaurabhike.
आन आन
Suchi.
शुचिरेतो निषिक्तं द्यौरभीके आनरुचिरेतो निषिक्तं द्यौरभीके
Beautiful. Agnihi Shardhamana Vadyam
अग्निः अग्निः शर्धमनवध्यम् अग्निः शर्धमनवध्यम्
Yuvanagum Swadhiyam
युवानघुं स्वाधियम् युवानघुं स्वाधियम्
Janayat Sudayaccha
जनयत् शोधयच्च जनयत् शोधयच्च
Santejiyasa
सन्ते जीयस सन्ते जीयस
Manasatvota Uta Siksha
मनसा त्वोत उत शिक्षा मनसा त्वोत उत शिक्षा
Swapatyasya Siksho
स्वपत्यस्य शिक्षोः स्वपत्यस्य शिक्षोः
Agne Rayo Nrutamasya Prasuto
अग्नेरायो नृतमस्य प्रभूतो अग्नेरायो नृतमस्य प्रभूतो
Bhuyamate Sushtutvayascha Swaha
भूयामते सुष्टुतयश्च वश्वा भूयामते सुष्टुतयश्च वस्वा
Agne Sahantamabhara
अग्ने सहन्त मा भर अग्ने सहन्त मा भर
Jumnasya Prasaharayim
द्युम्नस्य प्रासहारयिम् द्युम्नस्य प्रासहारयिम्
Vishwayaha
विश्वायः विश्वायः
Charshanihi Abhyaso Abhyasa
चर्षणीरभ्यासा चर्षणीरभ्यासा
Vajeshu Sasahatu.
वाजेषु सासहत् वाजेषु शासहत्
We stop here. Om Swasti.
ॐ सहना भवतु सहना भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ओम तत्सतं सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु श्रीवासुदेवार्पणमस्तु श्रीवेदपुरुषाशीर्वादोऽस्तु ओम श्रीमातृचरणारविन्दार्पणमस्तु ओम तत्सत् हरि ओम नमस्ते
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಬಾಬು. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಲೇಟ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇರ್ಲಿ
ದೆನ್ ಸೊ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಓ, ಗೋಪಿನಾಥ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರಾ? ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ
ಹಾಂ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಅಗ್ನಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬೆಂಕಿ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಅಂತ ಕೋಪ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಅಗ್ನಿ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿವೈನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್. ಇದು ಮಹಾನ್ಯಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ಅದು ಅಪ್ರತಿರಥಂ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅಗ್ನಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನಾ ಮಾಡಿ ದೆನ್ ಶಿವನಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಮಹಾನ್ಯಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಮಹಾನ್ಯಾಸ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಇಂಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಟು ಅಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಟಿವ್ಲಿ. ಇನ್ನೇನು ಮಹಾನ್ಯಾಸಪೂರ್ವಕ ರುದ್ರಾಭಿಷೇಕನೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನನಿಗೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಮಾಘ ಮಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿವನಿಗೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವ ಮಾಘ ಮಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿ ದಿವಸ ಇನ್ನು ಮಹಾನ್ಯಾಸಪೂರ್ವಕ ರುದ್ರಾಭಿಷೇಕ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಹಾನ್ಯಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ, ಬಟ್ ಅಗೈನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟ್ರೆಷರ್ ದಿಸ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ನೀವು ಈಗ ನಾನು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ದಟ್.